Hi guys, Coral the OG here. I just found tons and tons of seagulls eating up all of this trash. Look at them, there's so much. One of them screaming at the top of their lungs. Oh, two of them are fighting each other. I love how every one of them is trying to fight each other. It's pretty funny. This is like Mortal Kombat, but instead it's just seagulls. Yo, I think they're eating breadcrumbs. Is that supposed to be breadcrumbs? I don't know what that is. There's some cups and... Wait, is that... Yo, there's wrapping paper in the dumpster. That's honestly kind of funny. Yeah, that's definitely breadcrumbs. Why does one... They sound like they're in pain. Why do they sound like they're in pain? Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Whoa! Bye, guys. Have a good day.